Literally 2 days ago, I did a reaction about this lady. If you want to check out that video, I have that linked down below. She missed all her court dates, and a month later, the cops had to track her down. So here we go.
Be in a driveway on Brookside.
What did I do?
I have a second car.
What did I do?
Step out.
What did I do?
Step out.
No, sir. What did I do, though?
Step out.
What did I do?
We're across from 17.
What did I do?
We're across from 17.
What did I do?
Step out.
Sir, no, I'm not doing that. I didn't do anything.
Can I have your license registration?
I didn't do anything.
Can I have your license registration?
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
Call a sergeant. Call a sergeant. Please
Step
get back, yo.
Step out.
This shit happening again, bro.
Step
I
out.
didn't do anything, bro.
Why'd you speed up like that?
I didn't. What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm coming into my house.
Right.
This is where I live at.
Step out.
For what, officer? I didn't do anything.
Step out.
Oh, y'all, I didn't do anything.
You have multiple warrants.
What do you mean? I don't have multiple warrants for nothing.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Bro.
Uh-oh.
Stop grabbing me. Yo.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Yo. Oh, my God. No.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, my God, I didn't do it.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah.
Put your hands behind your back.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything wrong. What did you pull me over for?
You have warrants.
No, what the f*** never even saw me. What the f***? You went nowhere near me.
Chase the car.
Yo, bro.
I'm with female 41.
Yo, bro. Can I get my phone?
Yes.
Oh,
You don't have to do all this.
Yo, you really did. You didn't even nowhere near me. You was nowhere near me.
I saw you on Main Street.
So what? What did you run me for?
Because you usually have warrants and no license.
What? Yo.
Yo, the cops say you're a regular. You usually got warrants. See, that's what you don't want. You do not want to be on the radar of the police. And that last incident was crazy because the kid got hit by a car or whatever. And he's down on the ground, and the cops asked her to turn around, go the other way because we're trying to deal with this. And she was so self-centered and all about her that she just wanted to go right through the accident and stuff like that. And so they ended up getting her together. That was a whole ordeal, but man, she did not learn anything. She couldn't go to court. Her behavior has not changed at all, man. You're just gonna be a career criminal.
Yo, please go off of me.
No. No, you're getting charged with resisting too.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I didn't do, sir.
Try to slam the car door.
No,
on me.
I tried to close my door. I didn't resist. Sir, can I please just get my phone? Can I please get my...
Yeah, get in. Get in.
Yo, please don't do this shit, yo. That shit's f***ed up, sir. You didn't even see me.
Get in.
Oh, yo.
Is this your house?
Yo, you saw me stick up my middle finger. That's why you came
No,
at me.
I didn't.
Be real.
I didn't.
You did.
I saw your car and I ran your license plate. Warrants.
Yo,
Is this your house?
You didn't even see my license plate. It was on the side of me, sir.
Get in.
Be real.
Get in. Is this where you live?
Can I please get my phone?
Right. Immediate restoration?
No. I don't know. Is this your phone? Is this your phone?
Oh, I guess it's not. Leave it in the car. She didn't want to answer because that was another ordeal. She was like, my phone, because the cop left the phone on top of the hood. So she was hooting and hollering about that in the last video, man. So they definitely want to make sure they get that phone, man. They don't want to hear her crying, even though she's gonna cry anyway.
Where'd you see her?
Main Street. So she like cut through.
Right, I'm gonna look. Where does the plate come back to?
I don't know. Yeah, I think she's got ACS as well.
What's she screaming?
I don't know. I really don't know.
You gonna shut it off?
Yeah. I think this is the keys. I don't know.
Roll up the windows.
Yeah, roll up the windows.
She lives here?
Yeah. There's mail in the.
I think this. Yeah, this is it. This is the other one, the back one.
I was just making sure. I'm just making sure.
There's like 3 total apartments. Yeah, there is. 4.
Hey, can you relax?
Yo, bro.
You have warrants. It is what it is.
Yo.
Your car's good to stay there. I locked it up. I locked it up. I locked it up for you.
Yo, you a savage, bro.
I know.
You said you run me because I usually have warrants. That's not right. That's not right.
I saw you on Main Street by Shell. By Shell.
This is always done. I was never by Shell.
Yes, you were.
No, I was not. I
Okay.
just came from McDonald's. I never was by Shell.
Wait, how do you get to McDonald's?
I went to
36.
I never went by Shell.
You came across 36.
No, I did
Okay.
not.
All right.
No, bro.
Hadia, come on.
Crazy as hell.
It is. It is.
This shit crazy as hell. Yo, this shit crazy as hell.
All right, you gotta relax.
Another phone on the ground.
No, I have it right here.
I have 2 phones.
There's a second one. Why'd you throw it? Why'd you throw it? If one of you is still over here, apparently she threw her cell phone.
See, I told you that phone, boy. Her and them phones.
This shit crazy as hell.
That wasn't the one you picked up?
Apparently there's a second one.
This shit crazy as hell, yo. You didn't even have to do that, bro.
You didn't have to do all that. You didn't have to do all that.
What?
Everything.
I didn't do nothing to you, bro. Don't be like that, bro.
Yeah.
Don't be like that, yo. Oh, God.
Wait, what color is your phone? Can you relax? Can you just relax?
You don't have to be like that, though. You don't have to be like that. You don't have to be like that.
Okay, I'm not gonna help you look for your phone if you
I
don't.
dropped it in a bush, bro. You got my number. I'm not supposed to help you do anything.
We're helping you, so I don't know what your problem is.
So it was like right around here. I don't see it though. I think it was orange. I don't know if that's the one she's talking about.
I'll look on the other side of this fence.
Did you see it in the car or no?
I didn't really. What happened when she pulled in? She tried to take off?
No, so I see her on Main Street. I run her plate. It comes back ATS warrant. So I'm like, okay. So I flip around, and she beats me through traffic. I end up coming up with her on. She keeps saying that. I didn't know that. I really didn't see that happen. So she turns onto Car Avenue, and I come to the firehouse, thinking she's gonna come down and make the right on Sealy. She comes, shoots down here, floors it, and then we end up here.
She got down the wrong.
No, she went down the right way. I don't see it. Hey, Hadia, wait, Hadia, is it in your pants or something?
Hey, come on, bro.
Yeah, Hadia. I'm looking for your phone because I don't want it to get wet.
Just leave it there, bro.
Right.
I just want to get this process over with,
All right,
bro.
all right.
Like, come on,
Yep.
bro. That shit fucked up. You saw me stick out my middle finger.
I did not. I really didn't.
You weren't even behind me, though.
No, you were coming the opposite way. I just told you that.
You went through that little way. They went right through there. You were never behind me to see that to run my plates or nothing.
You have a front license plate, right?
But you weren't even nowhere near me to run any front or the back license plate.
Okay.
Come on, bro. You got mad because I threw up my middle finger. It's okay.
I'll be honest. I did not see that. If I did see it, I would tell you.
What did you come racing after me for?
Because you have warrants.
I have 1 warrant.
2 or 3, actually.
I don't have 2 or 3 at all.
I'm pretty sure you do.
Why would I have 2 or 3 warrants for where?
I think Keensburg.
I do not have 2 or 3 warrants for Keensburg. What are you talking about?
Okay.
I just went I had court the other day. That's why I took 1 warrant. I have 1 warrant.
Okay.
What are you talking about, bro?
Okay.
Come on, bro. Stop being like that, bro. Don't be that.
Well, most people do not have any warrants. So I don't, whether it's a 1 or 3, I mean, you shouldn't have any.
Be like that. Come on. It's like, you saw me make this. Like, come on, bro. You usually have warrants. That's what you said on BODYCAM.
Yeah, I did.
It doesn't matter. Somebody usually have warrants, though.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
It doesn't matter. Somebody could usually be a criminal. That doesn't mean that you keep pressing them as a criminal. That doesn't mean that. You don't get to do that, bro.
We were allowed to run you for active warrants.
You can run me for whatever you want to do as a cop.
Yeah.
No, their person has their day in court where they can fight that.
Yeah, absolutely.
You are on BODYCAM, so what you did was not the legal way to do that.
It's on. It's
I
on.
know that it's on.
It would absolutely always be on.
I understand that. I'm not taking that from you, but the way you just proceeded by doing that as a cop, you know that wasn't right. You know that wasn't right. You were nowhere near behind me. You had no reason to run my place. I didn't make a traffic stop. I didn't make a traffic violation or anything. You had no reason to run my plate at all. You just ran it for no reason. Like, come on, bro. Y'all always want to.
I'm not gonna lie, this shit crazy. The way this cop driving, and I know a lot of cops do this, but yo, that's why you can't be giving no tickets for no cell phone. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like that you can't get no tickets for no cell phone, because this, look at what this cop is doing. I noticed this cop better not have no tickets for nothing like that on his jacket, as far as being known for giving out, oh, you were on your phone or you were texting and driving. Look at this guy, man. Your both hands are on the computer. You got your wrist, you know, or your forearm there, or whatever, on the wheel so you could kind of keep it straight, but you're typing and looking at the computer, like completely eyes off the road. Like, nah, man, you can't see, nah. Don't be giving out no cell phone tickets. I don't want to hear none of that, boy.
Have a reason, bro. It's okay, though. I understand this municipality. Like, it's not that serious thing. I have 3 to 4 warrants. You know I don't have no 3 to 4. I have 1 warrant for Kingsburg. 1. You didn't have to do that, bro.
You didn't have to do all you did. Oh, you did the most. The most. You hit me with the car door.
Suspect was arrested for eluding police, resisting arrest, and obstructing justice, alongside her active warrants for failure to appear in court.